Today, I am reviewing the Lossigy 36V Lithium golf cart battery. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. Upgrading an older electrical system from heavy, traditional lead-acid batteries to a modern lithium setup is one of the most impactful performance enhancements you can make. After spending an extensive amount of time evaluating the performance, build quality, and real-world efficiency of the Lossigy 36V Lithium golf cart battery, it is absolutely clear that this conversion kit is a massive technological leap forward. Whether you are aiming to revitalize a sluggish golf cart, power a demanding marine trolling motor, or upgrade a boat electrical system, this comprehensive kit eliminates the frustrations of voltage drop, constant maintenance, and excessive weight. One of the most noticeable transformations right after installation is how much lighter and more agile your vehicle or boat feels. Traditional lead-acid setups require multiple heavy batteries wired in series, creating a massive amount of dead weight that bogs down performance and strains your suspension. The Lossigy 36V 100 amp-hour battery consolidates all that power into a single, self-contained unit. It simplifies the entire engine bay layout and makes the installation process remarkably straightforward for any do-it-yourself enthusiast. It fits neatly into standard battery compartments, and because you no longer have to worry about cleaning up hazardous acid spills or checking water levels, it is a completely maintenance-free solution from day one. The actual power delivery and internal engineering are where this battery truly separates itself from budget alternatives. Built using automotive-grade lithium iron phosphate cells, it offers a drastically higher energy density and far more stable voltage output. Unlike lead-acid batteries that suffer from severe voltage sag under heavy load or as the charge drops, this lithium battery maintains a consistent, robust output throughout almost its entire discharge cycle. This means your golf cart will maintain its maximum speed and hill climbing power even when the battery is getting low, rather than slowing down to a crawl. Furthermore, Lossigy has engineered an incredible breakthrough in handling peak electrical loads. While many standard lithium management systems shut down under sudden stress, the built-in 200 amp smart Bluetooth battery management system can handle an astonishing peak current of 1000 amps for up to 3 to 5 seconds. This massive peak threshold is critical because starting a heavy golf cart on a steep incline or accelerating from a complete stop demands a huge initial surge of electricity. This breakthrough ensures the battery effortlessly satisfies the high controller demands of practically any golf cart on the market without tripping safety cutoffs. Long-term durability and safety are backed by excellent internal protections. The integrated smart management system continuously monitors the health of the individual cells, shielding the electric core from potential damage caused by extreme high or low temperatures, short circuits, overcurrent, and overload conditions. This protective shield allows the battery to achieve an exceptional lifespan of over 4,000 cycles, which easily translates to around 10 years of reliable service. To make this a truly complete conversion kit, Lossigy includes a dedicated 25 amp high current charger and an external monitor. The charger is optimized specifically for the unique charging profiles of lithium iron phosphate chemistry, bringing the battery back to full capacity quickly and safely. The included monitor gives you real-time visibility into your exact state of charge, voltage, and current draw, completely removing any guesswork about how much runtime you have left. Supported by professional 24-hour technical support and a solid commitment to customer service, this conversion kit delivers the perfect combination of blistering peak performance, incredible weight savings, and long-term reliability.